Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. Here's my take on Hubstaff Talent, a free freelancer platform designed to connect businesses with remote talent. Hubstaff Talent offers a refreshing approach by providing a completely free directory for businesses seeking skilled freelancers and agencies. This platform caters to a wide range of fields, from development and design to marketing and virtual assistants. Unlike many other platforms that charge fees for job postings or take commissions on hires, Hubstaff Talent remains entirely free, making it a budget-friendly option for both clients and freelancers. Whether you're a startup or a well-established company, Hubstaff Talent can help you find remote talent without incurring extra hiring costs. For freelancers, Hubstaff Talent offers global visibility and direct connections with potential clients, eliminating intermediary fees that can cut into earnings. This direct access empowers freelancers to secure work and retain more of their income. One of the platform's standout features is its comprehensive profiles for freelancers and agencies. These profiles provide detailed information on skills, hourly rates, availability, and past work, empowering businesses to make well-informed hiring decisions. Clients can efficiently search for talent using filters based on skill set, location, or hourly rate, tailoring the search to their specific needs. Creating a profile is simple, free, and allows freelancers to showcase their skills, portfolio, and availability. By functioning as a directory, Hubstaff Talent fosters direct communication between freelancers and clients. This direct interaction streamlines negotiations and allows for more personalized work arrangements. For those already within the Hubstaff ecosystem, Hubstaff Talent seamlessly integrates with Hubstaff's time tracking software. This integration offers a valuable tool for remote teams requiring transparency in project management and billing. Clients can efficiently monitor work progress, track hours, and manage payments within a unified system. In conclusion, Hubstaff Talent presents an excellent solution for those seeking a cost-effective way to connect with remote freelancers and agencies. Its free, user-friendly design streamlines the hiring process while promoting fair and direct communication between clients and freelancers. Explore Hubstaff Talent using the links in the description and discover if it's the right fit for your needs.